Good morning. Welcome to Occam's Razors, gardening, cooking, and canning. The birds are out in force this morning. We will be doing an update on our garden growth today. Our raspberry bush is still getting into the flower stage in some areas. It's actually starting to get close to producing fruit. Our potatoes in the compost pile are doing fantastic. The peonies continue to come into bloom. Our slow-growing pepper plant is still slow growing. One of our 3 tomato plants. And the other of the first 2 pepper plants that we got planted. As you can tell, much taller. It's practically at the top of the metal rim. This one is still down there. And our other 2 tomato plants. Let's look in here. Has the last attempt to get a sunflower growing in here started yet? No? Other pepper plants. Oh, this one has survived the night again. Good. All right, let's keep moving down the row. Oh, still a couple more left to open. Now enjoy our potato patch. Well, we might be getting some rain today. Oh, look at you. Too much exposure to all this grass, eh? Yeah. Yes, chances of rain next couple of days. That'd be nice. That'd be nice. These are all coming into flower. I noticed that yesterday. Even more flowers. Our next potato patch here is still doing well. I see some splashback. What's going on here? What's going on with the leaves? Hey, why is that dying off? Well, with 3 days of rain coming, there's no sense in doing another turmeric spray. Our onions are doing fine. Yeah, you may have noticed the turmeric spray went up today, or that would be yesterday, since you're watching today, tomorrow. Well, one bean plant finally starting to produce flowers for the beans. All our other beans still struggling along. Let's go down and look at some of these fresh bean shoots. Like this one here. don't know. Did the proto-leaves come out? Did they get eaten? This one is still struggling after its leaves were decimated. But these other ones here came up and made it in time. Well, let's look at our carrots and the zucchini squash. Ooh. More growth continues. Just amazing. No casualties that I can see. Wow, these peas are barely hanging on. I'm gonna have to coax these today. They're just not grabbing on. Well, they are grabbing on. All right, let's look at our last bed of squashes. Wow, look at you. Just coming along fine. I don't see any destruction. All right, well, another night safely passed. Let's go in the front and have a look there. Well, our regular plants are doing just fine. And start smelling some of the flowers in the front. Our sunflower continues to grow, the only survivor. This one here finally started to give up the ghost yesterday. I didn't expect it to live, really. And how are we doing back in here? Right? What's going on? There was two of them in here. Oh, there is two. Okay. All right, and how's our pumpkin back here? Good. No other pumpkins yet. Well, I've given them lots of seeds, so hope some more of them come up. And our other sunflower, the one of the two that survived all the critter destruction. Now our morning glories still continuing to climb. Now let's go look at our bird shit berry bush. See that it has been prepped for harvest. All those annoying long branches like this one here have been removed. So now we actually have access back here to get our fruit. And they are not yet ready today, but they will be soon. All right, we'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.